The house was quiet, not peaceful quiet, the kind of quiet that sits on your chest. 4 years. 4 years of alarms and feeding schedules and listening for every sound through the monitor. And then one night, just one, your son is somewhere safe and loved, and you are home, together, alone. You think you will sleep. You think you will breathe. You think it will feel like relief. But what actually happens is stranger than that. You look across the room at your person and you both realize the same thing at the same moment. You forgot who you were before all of this became your whole life. Not in a broken way, in an honest way. Because caregiving doesn't just take your time. It quietly borrows your identity, a little at a time, until the version of you that existed before the diagnosis is someone you only half remember. That night didn't give us rest. It gave us something harder and more necessary. It gave us a mirror, and we had to decide what to do with what we saw.